Welcome back. Goa board will ask schools to change school timings during the board examination. The Goa Board of Secondary and High Secondary School will conduct 10th and 12th examinations together. Board convened its meeting to discuss the issue of timings of schools which will crop up during the examinations. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is in favor of giving an option to schools to decide about the timings.
For the first time, Goa board will conduct 10th and 12th board examinations together. Board has decided to conduct these examinations in 60 schools. During the examination, schools will have to vacate the premises before 10:30 in the morning. Schools affected with board exams will be asked to have their regular classes from 7:45 to 10 in the morning or from 2 to 5:30 in the evening. During the meeting, board decided to give options for schools to choose any time suitable to them. Board will try to accommodate students in minimum schools. The schools will face inconvenience for around 15 to 17 days. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar opined that no break will be allowed to any school during the examination.
तांकां हांवें सजेस्ट केलें की तुमी सुटयो भुरग्यांक दिवच्या पेक्षा 2 वरां 2.5 वरां 7:30 ते थोडी 8:30 आमकां 7:30 ते 10 दवरा तुमची एग्जाम 10:30 दवरा खरं म्हणजे एग्जामी सांजच्यो आसूंक जाय पण ती सवय केल्या सकाळची त्यामुळे तो प्रॉब्लेम जाला फुडल्या वर्सा मागीर कशें करपाचें तें वर्कआउट करा म्हणटा.
Reporter Mahesh Kari with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent.
A petition has been filed before the court pointing out increasing illegal construction in villages due to ignorance of village panchayats. The petitioner has contended that Sarpanch do not take strict action against illegal constructions to protect their vote banks. The High Court has issued notice to state government in this regard.
Petitioner A.P. Sales in his petition filed before the High Court has contended that illegal constructions are increasing in the state due to reluctance of some of the Sarpanch-led village panchayat. Sarpanch has the responsibility to monitor illegal constructions. Petitioner has also contended that some Sarpanch do not take strict action against such illegal constructions due to fear of losing votes. Sometimes Sarpanch recommends to regularize such illegal constructions. Petitioner has pleaded the High Court to direct government not to regularize such illegal construction and to take action against Sarpanch who failed to demolish illegal constructions. The High Court in its notice to the state government has directed to file reply in this regard by 10th February. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Be it saving environment or saving money, solar energy is the next big thing. Goa Energy Development Agency and Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry organized a seminar in Panji. Experts emphasize that solar power is an only option to stop global warming and an alternative to costly electricity.
Introduction of new technologies and cost-effective equipments in solar power sector is making its use more fruitful. In a seminar organized by Goa Energy Development Agency and Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry to spread awareness on use of solar power, Member Secretary of Goa Energy Development Agency Pramod Phatak says, people of Goa are not fully aware of use and efficiency of solar power.
They are not aware. See, recently we have launched a campaign for making people aware. Now with this type of seminar going on, there will be awareness. Obviously the industry here in Goa has to make up their mind. What has happened was there was no pressure on them and Goa had a good advantage of getting the electricity at low cost. But as the cost rises, I will say that the industries first in Goa should start at least the pilot projects.
Pramod Phatak also says power tariff is less but soon it's going to be costlier and then use of solar power will be more viable.
In immediate future, within next 2 or 3 years, when there will be a pressure on revising the tariff rates, the solar power even for individuals up to 5 kilowatt capacity on a rooftop will become an economically viable proposition. Even an individual as low as 5 kilowatt, that means about 5 houses coming together and generating power, can recover all their money in 4 to 5 years.
A reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.